Alright, Stan here. I just got done cleaning the mill. I milled 2 of these big logs. Well, I did the biggest one, and then the next biggest, and then I got, that's a nice one there. That one, tomorrow, maybe, let's see. Actually, I gotta get these out of the way. Can't get that log past. Unless I slide those over. And they aren't that big. No, they aren't. But I gotta get these done anyhow. So I'll probably end up doing all these here. And then maybe those the next day. But I did the biggest I got. Hope you guys can see. I got 7 109 inch they are, and these are just a little under they cut, like 103 inches, but we got 12 of those today and 7 of these, and then I hit a bunch of bad wood rot, so I had to take a lot off all the way around, about 3 inches of the log. And you can see here, look at this. That's what I got into. Cracks and a lot of rot. And this, there's big grubs in it. There's one that's just munched. Big holes. So I don't know what we're going to do with that yet. Deal with that tomorrow. I might just cut it out for him anyhow. So that's where I am. We got the mill clean, the blade off. Just want to do a little bit of oiling on the rail. Clean the rail up a little. Yeah. But otherwise, I kind of start late. I kind of started late. I did quite a bit though, for starting at 2. So, all right. Get back with you tomorrow.